Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make good quality edits on TTD3 and CapCut for your Roblox. So first of all, what you want to do is go ahead on this Roblox icon and go to settings right there. Now you want to find the graphics quality right there. You want to make it to the highest level and then press resume. Now, after that, you want to remove the player tags. So we want to go ahead to settings here and find hide player tags and turn them on. So you wouldn't have the tags. Now you also want to press on the Lightning editor here and you want to press right there on import and type a key. And you just basically want to choose this and then press that tick basically. Now we have this and you want to choose a place where you will be filming, so for example somewhere here, and now you want to record and so for the settings you want to go ahead again here and search for follow cam, and you want to turn on body, so it would basically film the whole body. You can zoom in a little bit so it would be a better quality. Now you can record, and after you will record you want to go to CapCut. So now once you are on CapCut, let's just adjust the clip, and for example let's cut it somewhere here and delete the first part, and now here is our clip. We can also adjust the aspect ratio. So let's make it to this one and also zoom in our clip. And just like so. Now what you want to do, you want to go ahead to the adjust settings of this clip. So scroll down until you see adjust, choose sharpen and make it to 30. Again. Now you want to export this video and go back. Let's export it, and now let's go back here, and you want to click the plus sign and add a clip we just saved, and you want to delete the other clip, which was this one, I believe. And now again let's adjust the sharpen to 30 to 20, I'm sorry, to the 20. And now you have your clip. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.